Hey YouTube, I'm back here. I got some more gym challenge packs to open here. I got some time to burn, so I'm going to be opening them for you. I think I got 10 packs. Forgive me if it's not 10, but I'm pretty sure. Let me count. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 10 packs, so yeah, I'm going to open those for you. And I hope you enjoy. Trying to fill up the set. Get a complete set. Whatever I have doubles and stuff, I'll trade. So yeah, our first card is a Sabrina's Porygon, Machop, Pidgey, Jigglypuff, Ponyta, Abra, Primeape, Bellsprout, Machoke, and our rare is a Muck. And we got a Fighting Energy. Alright, so we got Muck. I've got that before, so it'll be up for trade. Alright, next pack here we got a let's see, Poliwag, Machop, Coughing, Porygon, Pikachu, Mankey, Electrode, Dodrio, Rocket Secret Experiment, and our rare is a Gengar. Alright, cool. Then a Lightning Energy. I think I already have this too, so I'll be for trade. Keep getting repeats. There's a Charizard in this set, so I'm really hoping to pull a Charizard. A Charizard or a Venusaur. Charizard's my favorite, just as it is most people. Alright. Next up we got Rhyhorn, Weedle, Psyduck, Rattata, Vulpix, Diglett, Pidgey, Nidorina, Rocket's Experiment, and Lieutenant Surge's Plans are rare. And a Grass Energy. Alright, so 3 packs, and we haven't got any holos yet. So I'm hoping. The odds are 1 in 3 of premium cards. Pretty sure. Premium cards are 1 in 33, so that's 3 packs. So we're not doing so well. You best be giving me a holo. I'm gonna be mad. Alright, we got Magikarp, Growlithe, Gastly, Pikachu, Coughing, Poliwag, Eevee, Rocket's Minefield, Charmeleon, and that's a cool looking card. And then we got Giovanni. I do not have that yet, so that's cool. Then a Psychic Energy. It's a cool looking Giovanni. He's my homie. Let's see how I'm doing with time here. Oh man, I'm fine. I'm blazing through this. Come on, Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff's our one on top. Alright, then we got Ponyta, Abra, Magikarp, Tangela, Psyduck, Mr. Mime, Rapidash, Clefairy. Oh my god. Another Giovanni. I just got him. Lightning Energy. I know I shouldn't have said that I needed it. The freak. Now if it was Charizard I wouldn't be complaining, but come on. Do not need 2 Giovannis. I only need 1. Alright, this better be a holo. I'm gonna get mad. Alright, we got Mankey, Porygon, Machop, Pidgey, Jigglypuff, Ponyta, Graveler, Meowth, Hypno, and our rare is a Blaine's Ninetales. Then a Fighting Energy. Alright, another pack here. Better be hollow. Better be hollow. Come on, Charizard. Top is Ghastly, Pikachu again, Coughing, Poliwag, Mankey, Porygon, Kadabra. It's like you guys haven't even. Alright, Eradicate. We've all seen these cards. A rare. It's Pinsir. It's cool looking. Has Psychic Energy. That's 7 without a holo. These 3. If they're not hollow, whatever, I'm not gonna care. It's fine. I'll just open up some more packs. Alright. Got a Coughing, Porygon, Pikachu. Ew, these feel nasty. Like, they have stuff on the card. Looks like they've been opened before. But you saw me, I just opened it. That's weird. Came out of this pack and it's like it's got dust all over the cards. Watch it. Oh my god, there's a holo in here. Tangela, Hypno. Sorry, I'm not even showing you. Graveler, Koza's Ninja Trick. I don't have that. Oh, Koga's Ditto. That's awesome looking. Number 10 out of 132. And it's like weird. It's got like dust on it or something. But oh well. It's Koga's Ditto. It's our first holo. It's pretty cool. So that was well worth that pack. Alright, our next pack here. Come on. Alright, we got a Machop, Pidgey, Jigglypuff, Ponyta, Magikarp, Tangela, Bellsprout, Machoke, Golbat. Oh, nice! Venusaur. That's cool. 2 holos in a row. Told you guys these last packs better be hollow. This one, if it's Charizard, it's gonna be awesome. Alright, we got Fervor, Koga's Ekans, Horsey, Doduo, Drowsy, Oddish, Master Ball, Blaine's Quiz, Koga's Golbat, and it's, oh, another Venusaur. Back-to-back holo Venusaur and the Lightning Energy. You saw, I opened the pack. Alright, here, let me show you. The last 3 packs were all holos. I had no idea. There's the 2 Venusaurs and the Ditto. One of them Venusaurs will be up for trades. Okay. Well, you saw my video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.